Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Kraken's OTC trading feature in 2025. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. I'm just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now, the first step is going to be to log into your Kraken account. You can do that on Kraken's mobile app, or you could choose to do that on Kraken's website. And once you're logged into your account using your email address and your password, just navigate to the OTC trading page by clicking on the OTC tab. And once you're there, you're going to choose the cryptocurrency pair that you want to trade with OTC. And then you're going to need to enter the amount of cryptocurrencies that you want to trade. And next, you can set the price for your OTC trade. And then once that's done, just confirm the OTC trade by clicking on the trade button. Yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Kraken's OTC trading feature in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. You can always check out more information on the net. There's a lot of things. This is just a quick guide just to give you guys a very quick idea. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Like the video if you like the video. Comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next